Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is shapes. Today we will learn about the 2D shapes. 2D stands for two-dimensional. A 2D shape is a shape that has two dimensions like length and breadth. One way of thinking about 2D shapes is anything that lays flat on a piece of paper. You can see these shapes can be kept flat on a piece of paper. 2D shapes are any shape you can trace from an object on a flat piece of paper. Here you can see how you can trace any kind of shape from any object on a flat piece of paper. Image obtained will be a 2D shape. Now, here in this picture, you can see there are different sides and corner. So, first we will talk about the sides. So, sides can be defined as the line segment that joins two corners in a shape. So, this is the line segment that is joining these two corners. So, this is the side. Next is our corner. A corner is a point where two or more line segments meet. It is a corner. So, here you can see that 1 and 2 line segments are meeting at a common point, that is your corner. So, like this there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 corner in this picture. So, the total number of sides are 4 and the corners are also 4. So, let us talk about some 2D shapes. First, we will talk about the rectangle. Here you can see it has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it has 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can see that its opposite sides are equal in length. So, in a rectangle, the opposite sides like this and this, they both are opposite. So, the opposite sides are equal in length. Like this, you can see that both these sides are opposite to each other and they are also equal in length. Here you can see some rectangle shaped things like a blackboard, a notebook and a door. In this you can also see that the opposite sides are equal. Like in blackboard, the opposite sides are equal. You can also measure it with a scale. See, the opposite sides are equal. But here you can see that this side will not be equal to this side. So, that's why I am saying that only the opposite sides will be equal. Opposite sides are these. So, these both opposite sides are equal. The next shape is square. So, the square is also having the 4 sides, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. As you can see, it has also 4 corners. Its all sides are equal. Here in this square, you can see that all the sides are equal. So, this side will be equal to this side will be equal to this side will be equal to this side. So, all the 4 sides will be equal. For example, if this side is of 1 centimeter, then this side is also will be of 1 centimeter. Now let us learn some examples of square shaped things. A window, a table and a tile. Here you can see that all the 4 sides are equal in size. You can also measure it at your home. Now the third shape is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. And it has also 3 corners like 1, 2 and 3. The the sides can be of any size. So in a triangle, it is not necessary that all the three sides will be equal. It can be of any size. Like we can draw the triangle like this. Okay. We can draw a triangle like this. We can also draw a triangle like this. So these all will be a triangle. So how many triangle shaped things can you say? A danger sign, a Christmas tree, a roof. So here you can see the different kind of triangle shapes. The next shape is circle. So in a circle, there are no corners. It is round in shape and circle has no sides. So here you can see in a circle, there are no type of lines. There are no lines present like this. So it is made up of a curved line. So it is not having any corner. It is round in shape. So it has also no sides. How many circle shaped things can you say? A donut, a wheel and a clock. So at your home, can you say some of the things that are circle in shape? So now let us have a summary of all these shapes. Let us revise. So name of the shape is rectangle. So the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. A square has also 4 sides and 4 corners. In a triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 corners. In a circle, there are 0 sides and 0 corners. Let me tell you one fun fact. So, students, do you know a square is also a rectangle as the opposite sides are equal. In a square, you can see that all the sides are equal and the opposite sides are also equal. So does a rectangle is. But a rectangle is not a square. Why? Can you tell? Yes, because in rectangle all 4 sides are not equal, but in a square all 4 sides are equal. That's why a rectangle is not a square. So here is a question for you. Color the clown following the directions given below. The triangles should be colored red, squares with yellow, rectangles with blue and circles with green. Here you can check your answer. Count the number of shapes in this picture. Are you able to identify the different kind of shapes in this picture? Just tally your answer with the mine. With my answer, you can tally it. I hope you all understood about the 2D shapes. Thank you, students.